Yo, what's going on, everybody? John Vid here, back with a brand new video. You know what's going on, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. We've got another amazing video for you. Check out this setup right here. Absolutely incredible. So we're going to be doing a pool cage and a pool deck for you guys today. And in part 2, I will be going ahead and dropping the driveway cleaning in a future video. Now, as always, link in the description for everything used in this video, for my Amazon links. And if you want to go ahead and pick up a J-rod, which is what he's using to shoot the water out, I have those available at my website, johnviet.com. We've also got a free Facebook group that's got 1,100 members in it already. And lastly, if you want me to manage or set up your Facebook ads like I've been able to do with over 100 people so far, and we've only got a few more spots left, send me a text at 843-888-2371, and we'll set up a free consultation call to see if maybe I can help you out on a one-on-one personal level. You know, I'm only taking serious people who actually are serious about their business, so please only hit me up for that. Now, in this video, you guys can see that we're using a J-rod to go ahead and clean the pool cage. In Florida, we get these a lot. So basically all we're doing is applying sodium hypochlorite, bleach, and slow-mo surfactant onto the pool cage. And then we're letting that sit for, about 5 minutes while we finish all the other cage. And right here you can see he's just kind of going over the screen, but I wanted to show you guys his setup. So it's a ball valve with a swivel nozzle, a J-rod, as you can see right there, and you can purchase that at johnviet.com. And it's just a gun with a small little lance, so it's got a nice ball valve, which is amazing. So I love the setup here. This is good for anybody, whether you're starting out or not. So you can see that we've got a lot of pressure here, and it's a very easy job, and it's going very smooth. So I think this one turned out very nice, and we were very pleased with the results on this one. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you think about this job. So later on in this video, you'll actually see that I was cleaning the bottom surface area. So I just wanted to, kind of talk about how we're going to go ahead and do this first. So, just continually to spray and just clean and rinse. Now, if you're like me, you can set up a 5-gallon bucket in downstream. So basically all you have to do is set up a 5-gallon bucket, buy your pressure washer, and put a little siphon tube into your bucket, and then it will downstream with your J-rod, and you can get a J-rod in the link in the description. So any setup you can do this with. It's a very easy, effective method to clean these pool cages, and you can also use this to downstream your bleach onto your surface. So that's what we're going to do here. We're just waiting for the bleach to go ahead and come through the wand, and now we're going to go ahead and downstream. That is what it's called. And you can see all the suds here. We've got some very fresh SH and some great surfactant, and I'm just pointing it out here exactly what we're doing. We're laying down a thick layer of SH, and then we're going to come back with this nice big heavy duty surface cleaner and clean it all up. So right here I'm going to show you guys a little POV style of exactly how to do it. He went to the car, so I had to empty out the line. We just want to lay a nice thick layer of that, let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes while it eats up all the mold and mildew. Now here you can see I posted a video from my pressure wash community group on exactly what we're doing. So now we're going to go ahead and surface clean the bottom here. So I hope you guys enjoy this. I'm going to go ahead and roll some music for the rest of this video. And thanks for watching, guys.